What is it, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see today, we're gonna be doing something in the back of the SI, and by the time of this video, you might already know we're installing a wing on the SI. So of course, installing a wing, we have to take the stock one off, and we'll be showing you guys how it's done today, how to take it off. So let's just get to that. Alright, so first things first is, of course, is to pop the trunk open, and there's gonna be a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 push clips, as you see right here. So with the flathead, go ahead and pry those off. Alright guys, so the next thing after you take off the trunk cover, there's gonna be two silver 10mm on each side, so one on the right and then one right here on the left. So you want to make sure you use a 10, take it off, and of course if you have a magnet, help you, because obviously if it falls, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to come off. Alright, so after you're done taking out the two bolts, there is actually push pins. There's 6 throughout the whole spoiler. Let's see, zoom in right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one right here, and as you can see, it has double-sided tape as well. So I'm using a pry tool, and it's pretty hard. You have to use some force, just pry it up, and it should come right off. So go ahead and start doing that, and hopefully get this removed. Alright, so you guys probably saw in the time lapse, I actually pried just the two ends. You can see these two where double-sided tape is at, but you guys can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, I probably broke a clip, but that's okay, we're not gonna need it. And right here, as you can see, there is a wire, so be careful not pull it all the way up, as you might rip the third brake light. But I found out after you got these two sides, I just pulled it up a little from the middle, kind of, and it just popped up. It's kind of hard, of course you use some force, but that's it. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the third brake light and clean the area. Alright, as you can see, the third brake light connector is right here. So alright, so next part is there's 2 little screws right here. You're gonna have to remove it. So as soon as you get off, just like always, tab in the back, pull it out, it's connected. Alright, so since we're obviously not going to need these anymore, we're going to hopefully not try to break them, but if they break, they break. So let's go ahead. Some of you might be thinking, that's not how you do it, because you might be right. That's the only way I can figure it out, and obviously we're gonna clean it up a little because of the double-sided tape from the factory. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do next, guys. We're getting there. We're getting there for the wing surprise, so you don't want to miss out.
I think the SI needs more than a wash. You need to take care of your child. Look at it. Look at it. It's so dirty. But it's okay.
Alright, so it seems simple enough to just
rub it off.
Yeah, obviously it's residue, so we're gonna use some glue gun in a bit after, and then we're gonna obviously clean this area, prep it, you know, that good stuff. Alright, so we figured out a way to take this off, take off the whole wire assembly, and then down here inside the trunk where it connects, pinch the tab on top, slides off easily, and this should easily make it through the hole. Go on the other side. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. It came off, so no more we have to worry about the cable. So put it aside. We'll sort it later. So now, as you can see, ready to take it off. Let's go ahead and clean it. As you can see, all that is like residue from the wing that had like some type of double-sided tape all around it. So we're gonna get some glue gun real quick.
It looks bald. It's like where my eyebrows go.
Alright guys, so we got it all done and clean to the best that we can. Obviously we kind of fried too hard, but you might be asking yourself, how are you gonna plug up all these holes, Jose? That's a good question. I got myself a nice little duck lip spoiler right here, and we're gonna put it right here to cover all those nasty holes. Then you might be asking yourself, what's those lines for? That's another good question. So for this new wing to work, we have to cut that off for it to mount where it has to mount. So we're gonna cut that portion off of this bad little lip right here. And yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna cut this off. So you guys saw that. We cut it, but make sure you wear some safety glasses. I took a shot to that for you guys. So subscribe. So you can see, cut it off, but obviously I'm not the perfect at this, so I'm gonna go ahead and grind it a little bit more, make it a little smooth, and we'll start on the next side. So let's go ahead and get the tools ready and start smoothing it out. Big shout out to my brother, the Hatchimal FK7 in suits. Go follow him. I'll put a link to his profile around here or in the description. He has a really cool Hatchimal. Shout out to him. He got me the Dremel for Christmas. I love you, bro. All right, so let's go ahead and start grinding. All right, so we got both sides cut, smooth it out. We're gonna figure out what to do on here. But so we find out that they don't line up. So what I did, I was like, find solutions. So double-sided tape, I'm gonna put more. They go right here, and on the hole, because this kit does come with weather stripping, but obviously since double-sided tape, it's not gonna sit flush. So I decided just to cut pieces by pieces and just stick them inside the little holes right here. That's weather stripping right there, and then on this side too, right here. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just cutting little pieces and adding them to the hole. Bada bing, bada boom. Holes are covered. Some of them, not all of them, but getting there. Covering all the holes that I can. So that's what we're doing right now. So after we're done covering, we're gonna go ahead and stick this on and get ready for the big surprise. All right, you guys. As you can see, we finished the double-sided tape job on the little spoiler going on, and my babe covered the double-sided tape right here, weather stripping. So we're gonna go ahead and stick the sucker on. Alright guys, so with the nice and firm in and the weather stripping doing its job, I hope, we're prepping the area because obviously we're going to have to drill holes on each side, and we'll go ahead and get the drill ready and everything set up. Alright guys, so as you can see, we masked out the area, put the wing on nice and firm, and so now what we're going to do is get the screws, put some little nice toothpaste on them, and we're going to go ahead and stick them onto the wing and then set the wing on there on the front so we know where to drill, and then we'll go from there. So we're going to go ahead and get the wing and do that, and we'll start drilling. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so quick update. We got the two holes right here drilled in, but instead of using the toothpaste on the other side, we got a cardboard. So we just pretty much lined it up where the two holes are and went to the other side and simply just flipped it like this and just drilled two holes on this side. But one thing you guys are gonna need is a step drill, as you have to make two holes on this side so you can clearly see, so one bolt can go in there and down here. As you guys can see, we did it on both sides. So if you have a step drill, definitely works. So right now we're gonna just go ahead and clean everything up, mount the wing, and we'll see you guys in a bit. So you guys saw the install. As you can see, it's the next day because it started raining, and I wanted to make sure I had that inside clean for you guys. But we got the wing installed. It was a nice install, a little learning process for me as I never installed the wing, but good to have it under my belt. If you guys are interested in the wings, I will leave a link in the description. They're already painted, but if you want another color, obviously you're gonna have to search it up for your color. All right, and I want to give a big shout out to Redline719SI for giving me some ideas and helping me out with this whole process. I will leave a link to his Instagram profile either right here on the screen so you guys can follow him, or in the description below, so make sure to check him out. Thank you again. So when I barely put my car on the internet, aka YouTube, I got a lot of love from you Type R owners because I got those red badges. But I gotta say, you guys are gonna love me now because I'm gonna show you guys what we have installed. Let's get to it. So as you guys saw in that little quick video of introducing the wing, I did go with a Type R wing. So you guys see, we did this lower duck lip kind of spoiler, and obviously the Type R wing up here. And as you can see, you guys see the cuts, why I had to cut it right there because it was gonna hit with the mounting point. But yeah, overall it was a good install, and big shout out to my wife for helping me as well. Make sure you follow her too. Pretty much thank you for everyone that has supported the build, either on Instagram or YouTube. I really appreciate your support. So thank you again for people who voted on what wing I should get. I was really hesitant either on the BMX spec or the Type R wing. Kind of like the BMX spec because it was something different. Everyone has this. I was kind of hesitant for this because I don't know how it would look on the Sedan, but seeing it now, I love it. It goes to the car, it makes the car stick out even more. Yeah, I really enjoy this wing. Let's It looks nice here in the great outdoors of the canyon. If you guys don't know, this is where I carved those canyons at. As you can see right here, this mountain pass was all mountain, then I carved it. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you again for watching and for all your support. I really appreciate it. It really motivates us to do videos like this every day. I try to put out a video every week for you guys. A couple seconds of your life, and subscribe, like, and please share with your family members, car enthusiasts out there. I try not to show the wing because I know in some installs I previously show the product. I'm like, we're installing this, but I already wanted to keep you guys guessing. Don't worry, we have many more installs to come for the SI and obviously other Hondas that we have in the group. So thanks again, guys, for watching and all support. That's gonna do it for today's video. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.